Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to switch to personal account on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to switch to a personal account on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and from this interface guys we'll be required to go to our profile section. To do that, tap on our profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of our screen. And on this interface guys, you can see there is a professional dashboard option available for us just above the edit profile button. Tap on that professional dashboard tab, and over here you will be required to tap on the settings icon again at the top right corner. And over here scroll down a little bit until you can find the business option available for us. You can see the business option just below the accessibility. Tap on business, and over here scroll down until you can find the switch account type over here guys, which is the fourth one from the last. I repeat, fourth one from the last, and tap on that switch account type, and you can see there a menu appears where you will be able to tap on the switch to personal account. And this way again, tap on the switch to personal account over here, and the moment you tap on it you will be switched to personal account on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.